So today we're going to be learning about some physical properties of matter. Now, what's a physical property of matter? A property, those are the things we have across the top. Things like the color, the size, the shape, the texture.
What's the texture?
The texture is what it feels like. So what does this one feel like? You can touch it. Soft. And then there's also the weight. So we have a little scale here so we can find out how much things weigh. We are going to look at these 6 properties, and we are going to look at 6 different items and find out what the properties for those items are. The first item Ari's already started with is a pillow. So what color is the pillow? Paxton, what color is the pillow?
Blue.
Blue. Now, let's find out what the size is. Devin, how many inches is it?
16.
16 inches. Let's see, is it the same size the other direction? How big is it the other direction, Ari?
17.
17. So it's 16 by 17. And you can almost a square, but we found out that it's actually a little bigger this way than this way. So it's almost a square, but it is a rectangle. Okay, what texture is it? Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
I have a scale. If I pointed on this point, it's 550 grams. Almost exactly. 550. What are we doing next?
Hammer.
Hammer.
And it's silver.
It is. It is silver. And what's the size? Let's use our ruler to find out.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Okay. How big is it?
14 inches.
14 inches.
So should we
You
just
have
write
14 inches and you have
Should
T.
we draw T?
Yeah, we can just draw T.
60. Texture hard.
Hard. And is it bumpy or smooth?
There.
Yeah, I think most of it's pretty smooth, but it's hard and smooth. Okay, let's see how much this weighs.
What is the shape?
T.
T.
I think, what, about 593 grams. That's just a little bit more than what the pillow weighed. But look at how much smaller the hammer is. Okay, so next, what are we doing next, Devin?
Water.
Okay, now,
Water.
what color is the water?
Clear.
Clear. Perfect. You didn't even have to look at it and you already knew what color water was. What's the size of this water?
A cup.
Probably about a cup. And what is the shape of water?
It comes in all shapes and sizes, but normally it's smooth.
Now, what shape is it right now? What shape is the water?
Smooth.
And the circle. Now watch
Sphere
this.
and smooth.
Now what shape is the water?
Rectangle and
A
smooth.
rectangle and smooth. Now what shape is the water?
Triangle and smooth.
So it is the shape of the container.
The container.
It's the shape of whatever it is contained by. And it changes. And what is the texture?
Soft. Smooth.
All that wet, that's for sure.
Okay, so we'll just write wet. And it weighs probably 0.
I bet it doesn't. Let's find out. Okay, we're going to do math to figure out this one. First, I'm going to find out how much this cup weighs. This cup weighs 45. So we know what the cup weighs, and then we're going to put the water into that container, and we're going to weigh it all together. And together, how much is that? What is that, Paxton?
192.
Right, because we have to subtract the weight of the container. And when we subtract 45 from 192, we're left with 147. So that was 147 grams.
Let's see the paper towel.
Okay, and there's one for each of you. What color is it?
White.
What is the size?
What's the size of one paper towel? Probably, I don't know how.
What do you think, Devin? What do you think the size is going to be?
I think it's about 10 inches.
Let's see. 11 inches.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, you're right. Yep, next we'll look at the texture. So, I think texture soft.
Soft.
It's really pliable.
And what's the weight?
Huh. This is going to be hard to measure that with. You know what I'm going to do? It's going to weigh the same amount even if I turn it into a ball. I'm going to turn it into a ball and then we'll weigh it.
It's 2.
2 grams.
Yeah, we're looking at 2 grams. That is definitely the lightest thing we've had. What comes next, Devin?
Rock.
I'm trying.
Rock. Rock. Rock.
Ooh, can I weigh it? Can we weigh it first?
Okay, should we weigh it first?
Yeah. Wait first.
Can I
Okay.
do it?
Very
So let's do
carefully.
backwards. Can we do
Okay.
backwards?
And how much does it weigh?
407 grams.
467 grams. Is it smooth or rough?
Okay, I did rough. Now the shape. It looks like a triangle.
That direction is a triangle. That direction is kind of an oval. Kind of irregular shaped.
Regular. So
And the size?
I barely squeal.
What do you think? How big?
4
3,
inches.
3
Okay.
or 4.
You're guessing 3. You're guessing 4. It is 4.5. What color?
Dull.
Gray.
Gray.
Ooh, can I weigh mine first?
Let's go backwards again. I go backwards.
$117.
And what did we learn about this? Okay, now let's
Isn't
measure the
that
cup.
waterproof?
It's waterproof enough. That's 3. And so 117 minus 3 is
114.
next we need the texture.
It's hard.
It's hard
And
and
smooth.
it's smooth.
That's good.
It's also really cold, which is something that your other things haven't been.
Shape.
And ice is going to be whatever the shape of the container it's in when it's frozen is.
So cut.
But these are
And the sizes of this the bundle.
well, each piece is about an inch. The entire cup worth is about 4 inches.
The
You
color
have me at
is
140.
clear.
Clear! Another
Yeah.
thing that's clear. So, what have we noticed? Did you notice how many similarities there were between the pillow and the paper towel?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both super light. They're both
Soft.
Soft. But there's also some differences because the paper towel was white and the pillow was blue with flowers. And the hammer and the rock,
Both hard and rough.
both hard. This one's smoother, this one's rougher. But in a pinch, you can pound a nail in with this one just as well as this one. And then
Like
your
me.
water and your ice,
Statements too.
they're actually
The same.
the same thing in different states. Liquid,
Yes.
gas,
And salt.
and solid. And so we have the liquid and the solid and
Ooh,
all
let's make
around it.
gas.
We're not going to make gas right now. That we could do by boiling it on the stove, but then once we boiled it, we wouldn't be able to see it anymore because it would all just go up into water vapor. And so all around us
It's-
right now,
Yeah. It's
There
It would
is water gas.
evaporate. It would evaporate.
it would evaporate. And so,
And then it would go the water cycle again.
so right now, I am
Water
touching
never stops
liquid
flowing.
water, frozen water, and gas water all at the same time. Thank you for attending second grade science.